Lovable AI website builder tutorial for beginners. Imagine typing a description of the website or app you want into a chat box and watching it get built in front of your eyes in real time. Not a template, not a drag and drop builder, an actual custom coded web application generated from your description, complete and live in minutes. Now that is Lovable, one of the most impressive AI developmental tools that's emerged in the last couple of years. And of course, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know how to use it as a complete beginner, no prior coding experience required. And by the end of this video, you will have built your first web application with Lovable and know exactly how to take it further. Now, Lovable is an AI-powered web development platform that generates complete, functional web applications from text descriptions. Now, the keyword is going to be functional. Not mockups, not wireframes, but actual working apps with real code behind them. Now, what makes Lovable different from other website builders like Wix or Squarespace is the nature of the output. Now, website builders are going to give you templates with fixed structures that you modify. Lovable is going to generate custom code out of all of them, and with proper real React components, real CSS, real logic, based specifically on what you describe it. Now, the result is as unique as your description. The other major differentiator is that Lovable is going to generate full-stack applications, not just front-end websites. It can create applications with databases, authentication, forms that submit and store data, dynamic content, and things that would normally require back-end development knowledge. Now, for builders and entrepreneurs who want to create actual products and not just static websites, Lovable opens up what's possible without a development team. Now, what you can do is you can come over to lovable.dev and over here just sign yourself up. Okay, you're going to see the main homepage with a prompt interface, front and center. Lovable is built around that core interaction of describing what you want. Okay, once you have created an account, choose the pricing. Now, Lovable has a free tier that gives you a limited number of monthly messages to generate and edit projects. And this is, of course, enough to learn the tool and build small projects. For ongoing use or larger products, the paid plans unlock more generations and additional features like custom domains. You can start on the free tier for this specific tutorial. Now, of course, once you're signed in, you land on the main dashboard and you're going to see any previous projects that you've created and the main prompt interface at the top where you describe what you want to build. Now, the prompt is everything in Lovable. The quality and specificity of what you type determines the quality of what gets built. Now, before typing anything, think carefully about what you want to create. For this tutorial, we're going to be building a simple but complete task management application, a to-do app with a modern design. This is, of course, an ideal first for a Lovable project because it's simple enough to complete quickly, but complex enough to demonstrate Lovable's capability beyond a static website. Okay. And of course, working along with these things is pretty useful. And to start off, I'm going to give it a prompt like build a modern task management web app. And let's write in the app should have a clean, minimal design with a dark mode toggle. Okay, and you can add more things and details like users should be able to add new tasks, etc. Okay, and go on and on. And as I said, the more interesting part is when you give it more details, like each task should appear as a card with a checkbox to mark it complete. Completed tasks should, show with a strike through, and, the rest is history. So just keep on typing. Now, typing that into the Lovable prompt field and clicking the generate button is going to go ahead and give you one of the best things you've ever seen in front of you. First of all, Lovable is going to start analyzing your whole design to see if it is actually doable. And of course, it will be because it's Lovable. Now, this is the part that still impresses me every time I use it. Lovable starts generating your application in real time. Now, mostly when it starts on the right side of the screen, you're going to see a live preview updating as the code is being generated. And on the left-hand side, you can see the code being written if you want to look at it, but you absolutely don't need to. Now, the generation takes anywhere from 30 seconds to maybe even 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the complexity of what you have actually described it to do. Now, for our task manager, expect about a minute. And as you can see right here, it is done and good to go. A basic app. When it's done, you have a working interactive interface over here. So let's say I'm going to write this, click on add, and look at that. It added the task. Pretty cool, right? And just as so, you can go ahead and reiterate it. Now, this is code that a developer would spend hours or more writing. Lovable generated it from your description in under 2 minutes. Now, even as a beginner with no coding experience, it is worth briefly understanding what Lovable actually built. You can simply come over here in this section and click on the Files tab. Now, you're going to see the file structure of your project, if any, and if you don't want that, you can simply check the code structure to see what Lovable actually did. So you use JavaScript, HTML, and CSS because, of course, that is the recurring use of things in this. Okay, the main files are React components, and these are the building blocks of the application. You're going to see files like, JSX and JSON, MDs, TS, TSX. These are all your user interface files. Now, the first generation is going to give you foundation. Okay, it's going to give you a more recurring and consistent idea of what you actually want. Now, what you can do is refine it to make it yours. After looking at what Lovable built, identify what you'd like to change or add. And you can simply do that by, adding more things into it. Like, let's say, add task editing. I'm going to go ahead and send it in. And of course, Lovable will make that change for me in real time right here. Okay. As you can see, it says adding task feasibility, etc. And of course, once all of these things are done, and you are actually satisfied with what you have, and when your application is truly ready to share, Lovable is going to make the deployment really simple and really straightforward. So basically, once everything is done, simply click on the share button where it's going to give your website URL, and you can simply send this out to people, and you have everything good to go. That is your website exported and ready to show to the world. Now, Lovable represents a genuine shift in who can build web applications and, who can actually describe what they get clearly. Okay, that's the whole detail and key work of Lovable in all of this. Okay, start with a simple project to understand the workflow, grow gradually, and prompt your way to the top. And that is about it. That is how you're going to be able to go ahead and create a website of any style in Lovable. As you can see, I have been making multiple applications and websites through Lovable, and I'm doing it because it is so easy. And the main reason is that it's totally free. Of course, there are upper plans that you can use, but in my case, I don't really need to use them because even if I generate one website per week, that is optimal for me. And obviously every month the credits get resetted and you can create more websites as you go on. So that is the easiest and most simplest way on creating a website or application on Lovable in the easiest and most simplest way. Follow the video from start to end to know what you fully want to do. Obviously, the key lies in the prompt generation. And that is pretty much about it for this video. So if you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any issues in the video, do let me know down in the comments below and I'm going to be helping you with it ASAP. And that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.